Hi, welcome back. So happy that you joined me today. I am back to talk about my second box of the Lauren look. I am super excited to show you what I got. I have the box right here. Ooh, knock the camera over. And we're going to walk through what I've received. Just so you know, I don't know if I mentioned this before, the stuff that I kept, the stuff that I sent back, and how it worked. But the Lauren look, I get 3 items, or is it 4? Oh, we'll see in a second. I think it might be four items. And you can decide to continue to rent for as long as you want. You can decide to return it after you've worn it, of course. And then you can also decide to buy it. One of the items I decided to buy, and I don't have it with me right now, but I'll show you hopefully maybe a bit later on. Well, I haven't actually bought it yet, so maybe I'll show in a couple of more videos when I've actually purchased it. And then the other thing is the blazer I really want to buy as well. But anyway, without further ado, this is a review of the Lauren look and what my takeaway is. So I haven't seen this, and I didn't even look. I didn't cheat this time. I didn't look to see what was coming. So let's have a look inside here. All right, so here is the package. Haven't opened it, haven't seen anything. So please excuse the noise. I'm going to go ahead and open it. Oh, okay. So again, I hadn't seen, these are items that I selected in my closet. So they are items that I have at some point gone through the Lauren look website and decided that I like them, and I pop them in my closet. Now, you normally can kind of see what they are going to send you. I just didn't look this time because I wanted it to be a complete surprise. But these look like they are a couple of dresses. And one looks like this. I can't find the top of it, so I guess here we are. Oh, here you go. Here's the top. And by the way, I'm going to try these on for you, but this is kind of like what the top looks like. You can see the lining down the middle. And it's a long maxi dress, so that's one. And then there's this other one here, which I'm not 100% sure what it is. I think it's a dress too, but it looks like this. It's got a little buckle on detail here. Okay, this is a shorter dress. And this here is, I don't know what. Oh, it's a dress. I thought this was black and white, but it's coming up as a grey. I don't know if that just means it's been washed too many times. This grey here. I don't know if it's been washed too many times or what the deal is, but I guess I will try it on and let you know. So it's 4 items then I get. And then this item is a jumper or a sweater. I don't know why I have to put on the accent to say that. I don't know. But anyway, it's a turtleneck buttoned jumper. So I'm going to try those on, and I will probably come back and show you what they look like. Just so you know, life has been pretty good. I think the last time we spoke, I had mentioned some things going on at work. To be honest with you, it's actually been quite fine. I'm just trying to push forward so that I'm not continuously in this rut where I feel like things are just not going according to plan. So that's where we are with that. How are you doing? How are you? Anyway, I'll be back in a second, and I'll try on these items and we'll see what you think. And if you think I should go ahead and buy, rent, or return. And by the way, last time when I saw some of these items, I had said that they were bubbly. These ones actually look pretty good. So for example, this top here, there's no bubble and it looks really good actually. The only one that I would be a little bit concerned about is this one that had that, I thought was white, but it looks off-white grey. But everything else here looks pretty okay. So give me a couple minutes and I'll come back. Okay, So I have the first dress on. It's a maxi dress. I went and got some gold shoes just to kind of give us some little height, because otherwise it was kind of dragging on the floor. I don't know if it's my cup of tea, to be honest with you. I mean, I think it's a nice enough dress. I just don't know if it's something I would choose to wear. I'm not sure about the ruching here. Maybe I would have liked it had it just been straight across. But, you know, do I think it's a nice enough dress? Sure. I'm not sure where I would be going to wear this. I think this may be too dressy for what I'm looking for right at this minute, but it's certainly a interesting dress. Item number 2. All right, so item number 2 was this dress. It has a little loop through. I didn't actually undo the clasp or the rings here. They've got a little sticky tape across it, and I just left it there because I didn't think it was going to add anything more or less to this. Just so you know, here you can kind of see maybe someone wore a belt with it and it started to bubble here because it's picked up the material. But overall, it's not my style. So again, I did pick these items. I think this box may be one of those boxes for me where I was experimenting with just different patterns, different shapes. Right now, I feel like this particular Paisley dress is maybe a little bit too, makes me feel old. And not because necessarily it's old, but I just feel like the patterns maybe, I don't know, it just doesn't do anything for me personally, the pattern. Now, the person that wore this before, obviously, had put in a little safety pin here, because I guess they wanted it higher. I'm going to undo the safety pin and see how I feel. Maybe that will make a difference, because maybe it is, you know, it was too short or too low for that person, but for me it's actually fine. I personally don't have any problem with this V. It is a little deep, but I don't have much going on up here, so it's not the end of the world. And again, a nice enough dress, not my cup of tea, not something I would pick. I don't think it has enough oomph for me, but is it a nice dress for, I'm sure, to wear maybe once to work? Yes. So anyway, let's move on to item number 3. Item number 3 is this dress, which I thought was supposed to be white, but I guess it's either a dirty white or a silver white. I think the dress is quite nice, to be honest with you. I decided to, I thought the dress would look a lot nicer if I had a bigger bust, which I don't. So I actually just stuffed my chest with 2 flannels because I didn't feel like putting on a push-up bra, because as you can see, when I don't have those in, it starts to gape here. Now, maybe, like I said, once I put on a push-up bra, it will look just fine, but right now it doesn't really work for me, but that easily could be changed. I think this is cute. It's navy and not black. I keep on saying black, but it's actually navy. This is navy. I'm just not sure about this. I'm not sold that this wasn't white initially and it just got washed and discolored. But hey ho, I'm gonna go and check the description and see what it says, if it's supposed to be white or is it supposed to be grey. But what do you think? Do you like it? I don't know, this box is not making me completely smile this time, but let's do item number 4. Okay, so was I feeling a bit lazy putting on this sweater over the dress? Yes, I was. However, I do love it. I do love it. I like this sweater. There's no problem with the jumper whatsoever. I would certainly wear this. It's a navy jumper and I certainly would wear it. No problems at all. Has a nice fit. Looks pretty, new-ish. Yeah, I've got no problem here whatsoever. Well, maybe I do. I don't actually need jumper right now. I did need a jumper when I probably put this in my basket or in my closet, but right at this minute I don't. So I think for this box, it's actually, I can't blame anybody else but myself because I put these items in, so I probably need to go back and reevaluate what items I want to see. I mean, let's be frank about this. One of the reasons why I'm doing this is because I don't want to go in the store and try on stuff, and this gives me the option for this to come to my home and I can try it on, and you and I can figure out if we like it or not. And that's exactly what's happening now. So I did put some items in there that I wasn't sure about or I wouldn't necessarily pick up in the shops, and that would be the 2 dresses initially that I tried. But I also put in there, because I did this about a month or maybe a bit in January, I did put in some jumpers in there, which I probably need to take out because it's no longer as cold anymore. So, food for thought. My review on this box is my fault, not their fault. They sent me items that I had put in my closet. I didn't really love the style of these items. However, I'm probably going to give them all a bit of a shake. I'm not going to lie. I'm probably going to try them and wear them to somewhere and figure out if I can just jive in them or not. One of the things I found actually recently this week was when I called the Lauren Look customer service, I was asking them about one of the items that I'd sent back because I didn't like the bubbling. I think you remember that was the striped top that I had, and I sent that back, and they had given me a discount on the following month, which was quite nice because I just thought it was too worn to be put back in the cycle again, to have somebody else be disappointed like me. But anyway, when I was on the phone talking to the customer service person, they said to me that what I could do to make sure I get another 4 items or another box come through quicker is to return all the items that I've received. So don't really put them in the bag that you get and return them, but just click return on all of them. So it then generates another box and they will send out another box to you. So in fact, here in my closet, I still have the blazer, I still have the jeans, and I still have the yellow shirt. So all of those items I still have. Absolutely love the yellow shirt. Remember earlier I was saying I couldn't remember what it was, but the yellow shirt I'm probably going to buy. The blazer I'm probably going to buy. And the jeans, the blue jeans, I keep on going backwards and forwards if I should buy them, if I shouldn't buy them. If you remember, they were high-waisted blue jeans, and I'm a narin about those. I need jeans, so it may just be a no-brainer. In fact, out of all of those items that I received, the blazer, the shirt, the yellow shirt, and the jeans is actually what I need. So I may go ahead and buy it or purchase that, but I'm not ready to do it right now. So we'll see how that plays out. But for this box, I think I'm going to return all the items. Maybe I'll wear them next week or throughout this week, and then definitely return them after one wear, because these are not necessary items that I would like to keep or purchase. But that being said, second review down for the Lauren Look. Take care. Hope you are well. Bye.